In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loading screen to your Wix website. Adding a loading screen enhances your site's user experience by providing visitors with a visual cue that content is being prepared. This simple yet effective technique can help keep your audience engaged even during brief moments of waiting. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once there, click on the Login button located at the upper right of your screen. Enter your account credentials to access your Wix dashboard. If you don't have a Wix account yet, you'll need to sign up and create one before proceeding. After successfully logging in, you're now on your dashboard where you can see My Sites. This section displays all the websites you've created on Wix. Click on the website you want to enhance with a loading screen. Next, click on the Edit Site button. This will take you directly into the Wix editor, the central hub for customizing your website design and features. Now that the Wix editor is open, look to the left-hand toolbar and click on Settings. Here's where we can dive into the specifics of loading screen customization. In this menu, you may see loading screen as an option. Depending on your interface, it might also be listed under Site Settings, followed by Loading Page. Click on it to access the settings for your site's loading screen. Next up, it's time to select a style. Wix provides an assortment of pre-made loading screens and templates specially designed to suit various website themes. Choose a design that resonates with the aesthetic of your site. Remember, you have the creative freedom to customize elements like the background, animation style, logo, and colors. This flexibility ensures that the loading screen complements your brand's personality. Once you have your style in place, let's tackle the display options. Consider your site's loading speed and try to set the loading screen to display just long enough for your page to load completely. It's worth noting that you can manage these settings separately for desktop and mobile views, optimizing user experience across devices. With your loading screen designed and settings adjusted, let's finalize everything. Click Save to ensure that all your changes are stored. To see how the loading screen looks in action, click Preview. This step is crucial because it gives you a chance to experience the loading screen just like your visitors will. If everything looks good, proceed to publish your changes. This step ensures your new loading screen will be live and functional for all site visitors to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added a loading screen to your Wix website, enhancing your site's professional feel while keeping your visitors informed and engaged. Thank you for following along, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on improving your online presence.